Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. How are you? And in this training video I'm gonna review in details how to apply nails extensions on short nails or how to make short square shaped nail. And I will be using, as usual, products and tools from shapeofnails.com. And we always have to start our processing from disinfection. You have to disinfect nails perfectly. So please tell me, guys, how do you protect yourself from virus COVID-19, and what do you use in your day-to-day work? What is the situation in your state or city? Are you working now or not? Is the government government allows to work as a nail technician or not? So please tell me the situation around the pandemic. So guys, for example, in Russia, it's now all nail studios and salons are working without any problems, but we have to disinfect all surfaces, save themselves using masks. So it's very, very important. And of course, you should disinfect hands. And let's come back to the nail design and the nails. Of course, to protect nails from liftings and breakings, you should prepare the nail plate perfectly, remove the shine, use primer, and apply the base gel. The base gel should be applied with thin layer. And after we are using the Sculpting mix gel, now there are a lot of tones of Sculpting mix gel on the shapeofnail.com with adorable prices, less than before, with the less price than before, and so it's very good chance to order these products, and the shipping is becoming much faster because the post service used to work with difficult situation with pandemic, and I think in future it will be more and more faster. As you can see, I have applied as you can see, I'm using Sculpting mix gel in this video, and video by video I'm using the same product. I just want to show you that this gel is perfect, not only for long nails but also for short nails. So we can create everything we want, every shape we want, and nails will be either flexible and strong. That means your clients will never face with the problem of crack on the middle of the nail, and of course they will have the longer period before infills. Many people from Russia really appreciated that nails stay on for a long time. Okay guys, and of course I want to tell you about gel paint for French manicure. You will never find the same gel paint on other stores because this gel paint is maximum pigmented. This is the black gel paint for French manicure. We just need to apply very thin layer with a striper thin brush number 00 or 30, and the effect is amazing. The French manicure never burns so fast, and of course we can draw different long lines, deco lines using this gel paint. So we have two colors now, white and black. So you can order and try it try this fantastic gel paint. I will show more results and designs with this gel paint in my next videos. And of course, acrylic paint is also very important when you are drawing one stroke with one stroke technique. As you can see in this video, I'm drawing rose flowers. This acrylic paint is also high pigmented. The differences between gel paint and acrylic paint is you should use gel paint on the whole nail, on the large surfaces, and acrylic paint can be used only for drawing flowers, small decals, because it is water based, and it's not it's not suitable when you draw close to the corner of the nail. So you should remember this fact that we use gel paint for drawing French manicure or for sealing the whole nail, and we use acrylic paint only for nail designs such flowers, one stroke nail technique, laces, patterns, something small, something which can be drawn fast, because if you apply the whole nail with the acrylic paint, it will be drying for a long time, and if it seems to you that it has already dry, but it's not dry, and the top coat will be lifted quickly. So guys, this video is not so long. I hope you have learned a lot from this small tutorial. I will try to publish more videos now, because now I have more chances to do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my channel. And what about ordering products? You can order them on shapeofnail.com. The link is under the video, and the shipping available to all countries. See you in the next videos. Bye!